Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial about a new feature in Act Premium Cloud. I'm actually rather excited for this feature because I think this really shows how having an app in the web, in the cloud, can make a difference with some of the tools you can use. So let me show you the new feature. In the previous versions of Act, and again, these updates come in automatically. You don't have to do anything as an Act Premium Cloud user. You can now click on a phone number to use your favorite type of VoIP or tool to dial out through your computer. So what I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to click here on Fred Flintstone of Bedrock Industries. I'm going to click on this phone number. What's going to happen is the phone link tool that comes with Windows 11 is now connected to my iPhone. There's some setup involved in doing this behind the scenes, but now that I've done this, keep in mind over here on the right-hand side, I now have the ability to click on this green button to start this phone call to Fred Flintstone. So I'm going to do that. Now, it has jumped out to my iPhone, and now my iPhone is going to dial this number, and I can work with this number via my iPhone. I can pick it up, I can talk, I can end it on the iPhone, or I can end it right here. So that's what I've done. So this is a new tool that you can use with Act Premium Cloud. And I think there's a lot of aspects about it that are rather interesting. What I would normally do is I'd go back to Act, and after I made the call, I would record a history that the call was made. I would mark it as call completed. And I'm not even going to really put anything in the title. I'm just going to click Save. And the main reason I did that is because I want the call reach field to be updated with today's date. So when I come back to Mr. Flintstone, I can see what time, or I'm sorry, what date that I actually called him last. And that's my sign. So there's some interesting things here that you're able to do. And I wanted to just point that out to you so you could see how that works. Again, it's a feature that if you're currently using Act Premium Cloud, it will become available to you, if not immediately, the next time you log into Act Premium Cloud. Okay, my friends, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get back to me. Thank you. Bye now.